Good afternoon, class. Today I'll be explaining an extremely key principle in literature known as Chekhov's gun. The principle states that every element of a story should contribute to the whole. It comes from Anton Chekhov's famous book, Writing Advice. Quote, if in the first act you have a hung pistol in the wall, then in the following act should be fired. Chekhov's gun is a specific type of foreshadowing that specifically entails props and any other objects in any form of media. A great example of this would be during the popular British zombie film titled Shaun of the Dead. The two main characters in a bar and happen to be at the topic of the name of said bar, that being the Winchester. Immediately after mentioning the name, the camera immediately zooms in on a Winchester lever-action rifle hanging on the wall. This rifle was actually later sought out and used by the main characters in the movie during the zombie outbreak, and also used as a key element to their survival. An extension to this key principle is also known as Chekhov's gunman. This specifically entails for a person who is unimportantly and silently introduced to the viewer, but who later proposes and proves to be a key element to the ending of the story. Specifically, the difference between this principle and that of Chekhov's gun entails that it's a person instead of a prop or any inanimate object. An example of this would be the stereotypical Western saloon, typically seen in John Wayne or any other spaghetti Western film, where there is an individual sitting in the back of the bar, either playing cards, sleeping, or simply leaning against the wall, watching the main character. Here, you know that they're being introduced, but subtly, to the amount where they do not cause enough attention, and therefore letting readers and anyone else know that they will interact with the main character at one point or another, resulting in the end of the film, or at least some point of contention.